The Mazda 5 key fob uses a split case design where the plastic casing separates into two halves for battery access. This design is common in models from 2006 to 2015. First, locate the seam between the two plastic halves of the key fob. This is where the case splits open. Insert a thin, flat tool such as a screwdriver or coin into the seam. Apply gentle pressure and pry the halves apart until they pop open. Be careful not to use excessive force, as this could crack the plastic case. Most models don't require screws for opening. Once opened, you'll see the battery, circuit board, and rubber gasket inside. Newer Mazda 5 models from 2024 onward use advanced keyless systems, but older models maintain this split case design. The Mazda 5 key fob uses a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Once the case is open, note the battery's polarity, positive and negative. Remove the old battery and insert the new one, matching the correct polarity. CR2032 batteries are widely available online and in stores. After replacing the battery, snap the case back together. Ensure it's fully closed to protect against moisture. In some instances, the fob may need to be reprogrammed after a battery change. Use the vehicle's ignition cycle. Insert key, turn to on 5 to 10 times without starting. If problems persist, consult your owner's manual or a professional. Battery life is typically 1 to 2 years.